L'Oréal Paris EverPure Sulfate-Free Brass Toning Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set for blonde, bleached, silver, or brown highlighted hair. 1 kit. Toning sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Maintain your perfect blonde with EverPure's sulfate-free brass toning purple shampoo and conditioner that hydrates and neutralizes brassy yellow and orange tones in blonde, bleached, highlighted, and silver hair. Hydrating formula. Color-treated hair requires special care. This moisturizing shampoo and conditioner is infused with hibiscus and purple dye to tone brassy hair and leave it deeply moisturized. 4 best results. Use EverPure's purple shampoo and conditioner system 2 to 3 times a week instead of your normal shampoo and conditioner routine. Lather purple shampoo into wet hair. Leave in for up to 2 minutes. Follow with purple conditioner. Vegan shampoo and conditioner. EverPure hair products have the purest respect for your hair and have been formulated without sulfates, parabens, and harsh salts. Always color-caring and powered by science. L'Oréal Paris Innovation. We are a total beauty care company that combines the latest in technology with the highest in quality for the ultimate in hair color. Hair care, hairstyle, skin care, and cosmetics.